share your comments with each other, okay? Since we all know each other better now, sana, we'll be that much more learning from each other. And then I'll just give my closing remarks on this, alright? Ready? When you're up here, don't do this. No, 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 no. Don't look too much at your...
So, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Again, I am Maria Rowena G. Marcos. I am an HR assistant at Superior Desk and Equipment Company Incorporated in Mandaluyong. So, to further introduce myself, I have a short story to tell. Way back in college, my friends called me First Lady. So, why do you think they called me like that? Anyone? What?
Because of your surname, Marcos?
Yes, that's right. So, aside from my surname is Marcos, they have a special reason why they call me like that. Because they describe me as strict, disciplinarian, or librarian, because I'm always at the library, and even awful dictator. So, well, I just push people to do these things, or this, or that, or something, but they can say no. Actually, I keep on telling to them that you have a freedom to say no, but they can't. And whenever we have plans, I guess just gimmick or I just ask them, are you coming or will you join us? And then they say, I have something to do. So me, I will reply back that, so bibiguin mo ako. Just like that. And then, got it. So we will go to gimmick. And I remember one time when we went to Enchanted Kingdom. So who among here knows this? Yes. So you've been there?
Yes.
Yes. So it's a good place where you can have some fun, right? So we went there. It was my plan because I really love adventure. As in LOVE adventure. Because actually right now, I have plans to collect some extreme experiences. I really want extreme adrenaline rush as you. So when we're there, they don't want to ride at space shuttle or even a simple Anchor's Away. So I was like, carnival lang pala pupuntahan natin, eh, bakit dumayo pa tayo ng Laguna? So sabi nila, naririnig pa lang daw nila yung mga taong sumisigaw, parang mamamatay na daw sila. So I was like, ano ba kayo, kaya niyo yan? Hindi nyo ba alam na pag hindi po ang pagtatao mo, pag hindi ka sobrang natakot or hindi ka sobrang kinabahan. So, then, guess what? Yes. We all ended up riding at a space shuttle with a big smile and a wide smile. Actually, after that scene, after we rode, I saw their face. They are so happy. And for me, it's a 2 times happiness because, of course, I motivate people in my own way. Imagine, it's an achievement because they call me as a dictator, but see, they follow me, yes. And they conquer their fear. And as a motivator, it's always my passion. Hello, I'm HR. So I have to motivate people. And to be able to motivate people, I know I need to speak. And right now, I'm speaking in front of you, speaking for myself, for all of you, and also to conquer my fear. And I admit, I'm, yes, a first lady, but I don't care. Even they call me dictator, disciplinarian, librarian, or street. I don't care. It doesn't matter as long as I motivate and nurture them. And that will work.
Alright. You're so nervous? But you feel more alive? Sana? It's like riding a roller coaster, but you're not going anywhere. You're just standing still the whole time, but it's still exciting. But yeah, very good. I like your story because I got to know a little bit more about you too, what you do and what you want to do. So that's very good. And I like how at the beginning I was a little bored 5 second time because you're saying, hi, my name is Rowena, blah, 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 blah. Sometimes you don't have to do that. But then it picked up when you said, sometimes they call me First Lady. I love that. Because, see Wena? I know Wena. I don't know her. I'm not your best friend. But I've seen you, so I think you have First Lady. So you pique the interest of your audience, right? And then you had audience interaction, which is great. Always try to ask them questions and have them, answer back. So at least you know they're alive and they're paying attention to you. But yeah, I loved your story. Great way to start off. And you finished it with the same topic. You didn't talk about, in HR I had this one problem with this other woman. You kept it very specific, and I could follow your story, which is very good. You have a little bit of butterfly eyes. Who was you looking at? Sometimes we would spend like half a second on Anna, and then you would go to Isa and then Bobby. Always half a second on Anna. She's here. Give her a full second, 2 seconds. Right? But yeah, watch out for the butterfly. I understand it's because you're nervous, but it's a lot better than your first time. Diba? A lot better than your first and second time. Very good hand movement. Sometimes a little bit too much. But I understand again you're nervous. But if anything, I loved it because you got my interest. Why was she called First Lady? Marcos. Okay, I get it. Ramos, alright. So,
Marcos.
Marcos, sorry. Medyo ang bad ng Philippine history. You're the first one. For Marcos! Yes, ma'am. Who's next? Si Bobby.